Joint will and testament. Will of and this will is executed at Gurgaon on day of 2025 jointly between Shri, son of Shri, aged about years, having Adhar no, and Pan no, of Hindu religion, residing in, and SMT, wife of Shri, aged about years, having Adhar no, and Pan no, of Hindu religion, residing in we, and husband and wife, declare this to be our last will and testament with respect to our assets and estates situated in India. Estate declaration. This will shall be governed by the laws of India and is mutually agreed upon by us and with each other that we would execute a joint and mutual will, leaving to the survivor all property, real and personal, of the party first to die, and on the death of the survivor, leaving all of his or her property to our children. We revoke and cancel any other will, or codicil, made or signed by both of us jointly or separately which bear a date prior to the date of this will, and this will in relation to our estate shall supersede all of them. This will shall not in any manner alter, cancel or revoke any will or codicil we may wish to execute for our assets and estate, if any, situated outside of India. We are of good health and of sound mind and capacity, and we are making this will out of our own independent decision and free will and volition, and we have not been influenced or coerced in any manner whatsoever in making this will. Our beneficiaries include no full name, address, details, relation, contact details. 4.1 Passport, ph, email. 4.2 Passport, ph, email. 4.3 Passport, ph, email. 4.4 PAN, ph, email. Appointment of executors. We appoint the person named below, in case of death of the survivor of us, and all of his or her of our estate, executor, in so far as this will is concerned as our sole executor and administrator. He shall become eligible to be appointed as an executor of our property, real, personal, or mixed. No full name, address, details, contact details. 5.1, Passport, ph, email. Our executor shall be empowered to distribute our estate as per our will without ascertaining if there is anyone who may be entitled to any interest under the will due to a relationship unknown to our executor, unless the executor has notice of a claim at the time of distribution of estate. Defend at the cost of our estate any objection, challenge or proceedings filed in a court of law to set aside or contest the validity of our will or any provision of our will. Nominate, appoint and consult with any professional services firms, entities or advisors, including law firms, banks or trustee companies for purposes related to or arising under this will, be reimbursed from our estate for reasonable expenses incurred towards the completion of the execution formalities, including for expenses related or incidental to Clause 6.2, payment of funeral expenses, taxes and duties. Our executor shall, from my estate, expend such amounts towards our funeral as may be required. Our funeral and obsequies ceremonies shall be conducted in accordance with Hindu customs and traditions. Electric cremation. Ashes to be immersed in any river. Such expenditure shall be given priority over all other bequests, and our executor shall not be obligated to give accounts of it to anybody. We direct our executor to pay all our debts and liabilities, any taxes, duties, fees, etc. due if any, from our estate, which we may leave after our death, and the balance of such estate shall be collected and dealt with in the manner specified in succeeding clauses. Devolution of estate. We own and possess certain movable properties and immovable properties in India as on the date of this will, which have been listed under clause 10. This does not comprise an exhaustive list of all assets owned by both of us and is merely to give the executor an indication and a direction to proceed further. All assets in our estate are self-acquired or jointly acquired, wherever indicated, and no other person has any right, title, interest or share in any of them, and we have complete testamentary disposition over the same. We bequeath the entirety of our estate in the following manner, absolutely and forever. Immovable assets. Residential property. No. Property description. Survey. Cather. No. Nature of holding. Beneficiary. IES. 1. Singly, jointly held by to 100%. 2. Singly, jointly held by to 100%. 10.2 Financial assets. The 1st of February 2010. Bank account. No. Bank name and branch name. IFSC code, account number, nature of holding, nominee if any, beneficiary, IES. 1. Jointly, singly held by either of the survivor minus 100%. 2. 100%. 3. Jointly, singly held by either of the survivor 100%. 4. Jointly, singly held by either of the survivor 100%. 5. Jointly, singly held by either of the survivor 100%. 6. Jointly, singly held by either of the survivor 100%. 7.